Welcome back, everyone. So today we're jumping back into the AI agent store, where we often find some really interesting tools.
Uh-huh.
And the one that caught our eye this time is Boost.ai. It's listed under customer service agents.
Yeah, Boost.ai. It's definitely making waves. It's essentially an enterprise-grade platform for conversational AI.
Enterprise grade.
Yeah.
So what does that actually mean in practice?
Well, it means it's built for bigger organizations, focusing on secure hybrid virtual agents.
Hybrid.
Meaning they work across both chat and voice channels seamlessly. It's really aimed at, customer service teams, support agents, CX managers,
Okay.
IT, operations, basically the decision makers in larger companies looking at customer interaction.
Got it. So looking at the agent store description, how does it actually function? What makes it tick?
Right. The core idea is empowering organizations to, well, build and manage these agents themselves. It uses some pretty advanced stuff,
Yeah.
like natural language understanding, NLU, so it can really grasp what people are saying, the intent behind it. And it pairs that with generative AI to create those, natural sounding responses, all within a secure framework, which is key. Full control, chat, and voice.
Okay, now here's something that really jumped out at me at the autonomy level. It's listed at 76%. That sounds high.
It is quite high, yeah.
What does that 76% really signify for you or for a company thinking about adopting this?
That percentage, it really points to its ability to handle customer interactions without needing a human agent to step in, for a good chunk of the time anyway.
76% of the time.
Well, it represents a high capability for autonomous interaction. It means sophisticated virtual agents that can manage complex conversations, and it learns too.
Ah, the self-learning aspect.
Exactly. It uses machine learning algorithms, that NLU we mentioned, to constantly analyze interactions and improve its responses over time. So that 76% isn't static, ideally.
Okay, so it's capable, it learns,
Yeah.
but let's make this practical. Where does Boost.ai really make a difference? What are the key use cases?
Good question. It shines in a few areas. First, automating customer self-service is a big one. And internal support, too, using those virtual agents on chat and voice.
Right.
Second, it's not just about automation. It also enhances human agents. There's something called Agent Assist.
Agent assist.
Yeah, it gives human agents real-time suggestions, relevant info, basically helps them handle calls or chats faster and better, reduces handling times.
I see. That could be huge.
Definitely. Third, security and compliance.
Yeah.
It's built for deploying AI safely, especially in regulated sectors. Think finance, insurance, public sector.
Where security is paramount.
Absolutely. And finally, it integrates its AI, the NLU, and generative parts with a company's own knowledge bases. Crucially, it does this with guardrails and auditability, keeping things controlled and traceable.
That traceability is important. What about what people are saying? Any community feedback or general vibe around Boost.ai?
Yeah, the general sentiment seems pretty positive. People often mention how tools like this can really speed things up.
Speed up what specifically?
Things like reviewing documentation or even organizing code, tasks that usually take hours manually.
Okay.
It's seen as really effective for automating those repetitive, maybe lower detail tasks.
Huh.
It gives you a good starting point that humans can then build on or refine.
Makes sense.
And worth noting, its popularity level on the store is listed at 85%, pretty high. And it's a closed source solution.
Closed source, which often appeals to enterprise clients, right? For
Right.
security and control reasons.
Exactly. That control aspect is often a big draw for larger organizations.
Okay, so wrapping this up, Boost.ai looks like a powerful contender in the enterprise space. High autonomy, focus on security, enhancing both customer and internal support.
Yeah, it's about scaling intelligently, using AI to handle volume, but also to assist the human workforce.
Right. So here's a thought to leave you, our listeners, with. As conversational AI like this gets more and more autonomous, how might that really reshape customer service and maybe even internal operations at companies like yours in the near future?
Interesting question.
Definitely something to think about. If you want to learn more about Boost.ai, you can check it out over at aiagentstore.ai.
That's the place.
Thanks as always for tuning in. And hey, if you found this useful, we'd really appreciate it if you took a moment to rate our conversation.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thanks, everyone.